Unlock the power to truly know and connect with your Beehiiv subscribers by mastering custom fields. Let's dive into Beehiiv's custom fields feature and see how you can elevate your email personalization first. Navigate to your Beehiiv dashboard and click on Settings in the left-hand sidebar. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Custom Fields. This is where the magic happens for gathering subscriber-specific information. To create a new custom field, simply click the Add Field button. Beehiiv offers several data types to choose from, including text, number, date, dropdown, and multi-select. For this tutorial, let's imagine we want to collect our subscribers' favorite content topics. We'll name our field Favorite Topic and select Dropdown. As the data type, this is perfect for offering predefined choices and ensuring consistent data. Now, let's add some options for our dropdown. You can type in your preferred selections directly, such as technology, finance, or health. Hit Save. Once you're done configuring your first custom field, you'll see your new custom field listed here. The next crucial step is to make this field visible to your subscribers. You can do this when they sign up, or by inviting them to update their profile. When configuring your sign-up forms, or by prompting your existing subscribers to update their profile via a link in your emails, they'll now see Favorite Topic. As an option, they can then select their preference. Once subscribers start providing this information, you can use it to your advantage. Head back to your Audiences section. Here, you can create powerful segments. Click on Segments, and then Create Segment. You can now filter your audience based on the custom fields you've created. For example, let's create a segment named Tech Enthusiasts by selecting subscribers whose favorite topic is technology. This allows for incredibly targeted communication. You can now send specific content or offers exclusively to this segment, making your newsletters far more relevant and engaging. By leveraging custom fields, you transform your email list from a broad audience into a collection of individuals with identifiable preferences, paving the way for much richer and more effective email marketing.